How to change the cover for one of your boards on Pinterest. What you are going to do is you are going to go to your profile. So on the bottom right hand corner, click on your profile icon. This will be your page. So you'll click on whatever board you want to change the profile picture for. So if I click on this board right here, I'm actually then going to go back and press and hold on the board and click on edit. From edit, you can see it says header image, so choose a header image to feature at the top of this board. I will click on the little pencil icon, and you can then click on anything within that board to make it the header. So if I click on, let's say this one right here, it is going to prepare my image. And then once it is done, we would then click on done. And now that is going to be the header to my board. So if I go back in, you can